You did it? What color are you getting now?
Purple. What is purple? Purple. No, that's pink. It's purple.
Purple. Let me see, Josh. You guys do your... Okay. That's cool. Josh, you gonna do your art?
It's light purple. I did it.
You did it. This is some beautiful artwork you're making.
Look.
Don't hit it too hard, honey.
Yes.
What is this picture title? Does it have a name? Rabbit?
Yeah.
Don't do that, Jacob.
Look. That's a copy.
Joshua?
B-A-P. Copy.
B-A-P. Okay. What color you got there?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I need all the
That's pink.
pink.
Yes.
I did it.
You did it.
C.
Why don't you spell your name?
No.
It's beautiful.